A very good morning to my dear students. Welcome to Ambuja Public School. I am your teacher Kavita Sharma and I am going to teach you English. Today we are going to read one story from our Marigold book, Lesson 1 from Unit 1, Three Little Pigs. As the name shows, it is the story about three little pigs. There is one more character in the story, that is the bad wolf. Can you see here? Yes, he is the fourth character and these three are the main characters of the story. Okay. Now let me tell you some more things about these characters. That means I'm going to tell you some more things about these three little pigs. So, these three little pigs used to live with their mother. They all had a different characters. The word character means they had different behavior and habits. One was very lazy. This first one was very lazy. And the second one was also lazy, but not as much as the first one. Now, and the third one, this one. The third one was not at all lazy. He was very active and hardworking. Now, what happened? Once their mother gave them money and asked them to make their own house. They have to make their own houses. Now, the first one, the lazy one, made a house from using straws. Like this, he made a house using the straws. Straws means these type of things, the dry grass which we get from the farm. So, this first one made a house of straw, the lazy one. The second one made the house from the wooden sticks, like this. He just used the wooden sticks and he made his house. And the third one used the brick to make his house, and he used bricks to make his house and he made a beautiful house. Now, while the third one, this one, was making his house, his brothers were laughing at him because the brick house was taking too long time to make, whereas these two brothers, they made their house very quickly, because the one who made it with straw, he only has to just collect the straws and he has to just put it together, and he made it quickly. And the second one who made the house of stick, he also made it quickly. But the third one took very too long time to make his house. Okay, but still they all made their house. Then when they made their house, one day they all just came out to play with each other. One bad wolf saw them playing, and while he saw them, he thought to eat them. Now let's find out. What do you think? Did he eat them? Now, for that, we need to read the story and we need to find out what happened with these pigs and what happened with this bad wolf. So let's start reading the story. Once there were three little pigs. Now, as I have already told you, the story is about three little pigs. Sonu, Monu and Gonu. Okay, now these pigs had names: Sonu, Monu and Gonu. Sonu lived in a house of straw. So the first one, who was a lazy one, who made his house of straw, he lived in a house of straw. The second one, not so lazy but also lazy, the Monu. Monu lived in a house of stick. And the third one, Gonu, lived in a house of bricks. Okay, now, one day, a big bad wolf came to Sonu's house. Now, as we have seen, the bad wolf came. Now he came to Sonu's house, the one who used to live in a straw house. He said, "I will huff and puff and will blow your house down." Now, when this wolf came, when these pigs saw them, they all just ran into their houses. And then he came to Sonu's house and he said, I will huff and puff and I will blow your house down. What is the meaning of huff and puff? Taking out lot of air from mouth with very force, lot of air, and blow your house down. Matlab, I am going to blow it, blow your house. Blow matlab uda dena. I am going to blow your house down, he said to Sonu. Now let's see what he did. He huffed and puffed and he blew the house down. Okay, now see this bad wolf is just huffing and puffing. He is just taking out lot of air from his mouth with lot of pressure, and because of that Sonu's house went down. Can you see his house? Earlier it was not like this. Now it just came down. Now what happened after this? Can you see this Sonu? Yes. Sonu ran to Monu's house. Now he has to save himself, otherwise Bad Wolf will eat him. So he just ran to Sonu's house, that wooden house. Now what happened next? The wolf came to Monu's house. Now, as he just blew Sonu's house, he came to Monu's house. Now what he did there? Now look at this Sonu and Monu, they both are standing near a window. He said, I will huff and puff and I will blow your house down. Okay, the same thing he said to Monu also, that I will huff and puff and blow your house down. And now I'm going to blow your house also, Monu. Let's see. Let's see what happens. So he huffed and puffed and he blew Monu's house down. Okay, so here also he did the same thing as he did with the Sonu's house. Now look at this Sonu, he's so upset and Monu is also afraid. Now he just blew his down. उसने उसका घर भी उड़ा दिया. So he huffed and puffed and he blew Monu's house down. Then Monu's house is also down now. Now what will happen next? Sonu and Monu ran to Gonu's house. Now can you see them running? They are just running and they just ran to Gonu's house. Gonu's house was made up of what? It was made up of bricks. Okay. Now, the wolf came to Gonu's house. Now, after blowing Sonu and Monu's house, the wolf came to Gonu's house. Here, the red brick house, here also he has come. Now, what he has done here? Now, these three little pigs are standing here near the window upside. Sonu, Monu and Gonu. He said them, I will huff and puff and I will blow your house down. So the same thing he said to Gonu also. Yes, Gonu also, who has a red brick house. That I'm going to huff and puff you and blow your house down. So he did this. He huffed and puffed. He huffed and puffed, but he could not blow the brick house down. He was just keep on huffing and puffing and huffing and puffing, but he could not blow the brick house down. It was very strong. Although he was very much trying, he was just blowing the air. He was just keep on doing. Then later on he got tired completely. He was just blowing air from his mouth. He was just using his all strength to blow the house, but he could not do that. Why he could not do that? Because the house was very strong. So then later on what happened? The wolf went away. When he came to know that I cannot blow this house down, he just went away. And Sonu, Monu and Gonu lived happily together in the red brick house. Later on, they all three just lived in, because their Sonu and Monu's house was blown away. It was not there. It was only Gonu's house which was safe, which the wolf could not blow it. So they all just stayed in this Gonu's house here. Now, what we have learned from this story? Whenever we listen any story, we learn something from that. Yes, we have learned from this story that hard work always gives us good result and laziness gives us losses. What does it mean? It means Sonu and Monu, they just made their house very quickly. They were very lazy. They did not want to work too much and they made their house quickly. But as they made their house quickly, their house was not strong at all. And the wolf had already blown their house very easily because it was not strong. On the contrary, the wolf could not blow Gonu's house because it was very strong, because he worked very hard to build his house. He had to collect lot of bricks and then he has to set them with using cement and lot of material. So we should always do our work with lot of hard work, so we should get good result and we should not be lazy at all. So this is what we have learned from this story. Let's quickly see the keywords which we have learned from this story. Straw, stick, brick, blow, live, together, house. Straw we have already seen. The dry grass which Sonu used. Stick, the stick, wooden sticks which we have seen which Monu has used, and brick, the red color brick which we used to build the house. Blow means the just taking out air from your mouth. You blow the candles on your birthday, that is blow. Live means they were all living together. They were all staying together. Together means they all were living with each other. And house, you all also have a house. You all know how house is a place which has a walls and roof where we live inside the house and which keeps us safe. Okay, so that's all about this story. Enjoy this story. Take care of yourself. Bye bye and thank you.